Hello, my name is Richard McMunn. I have been a hiring manager for more than 30 years, and in this video I will teach you how to write a brilliant internship CV or resume. If you are applying for any internship with any company or organization, make sure you stay tuned. To help you write the perfect internship CV or resume, I will teach you 3 things in this lesson. Number 1, I will tell you the 8 sections you must include in your internship CV or resume, and also tell you how long it should be. Number 2, I will walk you through the perfect CV and resume template that is ideal for all internships. And then finally, number 3, I will give you 12 powerful words to use on your internship CV or resume. And I also recommend you use these words at your internship interview. To begin with, let me tell you those 8 sections you must include on your internship CV or resume. Please take notes. I recommend you keep your intern CV to a maximum of 2 pages long. That is all it needs to be. Right at the very top of your CV or resume, include your name and contact details. Include your full name, a direct contact number with a professional sounding answer phone message, a professional email address, and the city and country you reside in. You do not need to include your full address. Once you have written your name and contact details, you will move on to section 1, which is the personal statement. The personal statement is very important. It must grab the attention of the hiring manager. So here you will include a 100 to 120 word brief introduction that summarizes who you are, what you are studying, your key skills, and the value you will bring to the employer during the internship. Let me give you a brilliant example intern personal statement. Here we go. I am a motivated and professional student currently studying, insert the subject, seeking an internship where I can apply my academic knowledge in a real working environment and gain valuable industry experience. I have strong communication, teamwork, and problem-solving skills developed through academic group projects and part-time customer service work where I consistently delivered high standards and supported team objectives. I am confident using Microsoft Office, organizing tasks effectively, and working accurately under pressure to meet deadlines. I am eager to learn from experienced professionals, take on responsibility, and contribute positively to your team by delivering reliable work and supporting daily operations. If successful, I will work hard, represent insert the company name positively, uphold your values, and consistently strive to exceed expectations. That is a brilliant example personal statement for your internship CV or resume. However, this is a very important tip. Make sure your personal statement is tailored to the specific internship and company. And this is where I can help you. I can write your internship CV for you at my website, cvmadeeasy.co.uk. At the end of this training lesson, I recommend you visit my website to find out the service I offer. And I have placed the link in the top comment below this video for further details. Let's now move on to section 2 of your internship CV or resume. And this is called the key skills. Here, you will list the skills and strengths you have that demonstrate your ability to have an impact in the internship. Let me give you some examples of what you might include in section 2. Communication skills. Confident in written and verbal communication, including presenting ideas clearly and professionally. Teamwork and collaboration. Working well with others, supporting team goals, and contributing positively to group projects. Time management and organisation. Able to prioritise tasks, meet deadlines, and manage multiple responsibilities effectively. And finally, problem solving and initiative. Quick to identify issues, suggest practical solutions, and take action without needing constant supervision. So you would include your key skills in section 2 of your internship CV or resume. And I'm sure you will agree we are starting to build a powerful, impactful CV or resume. Let's move on to section number 3, which is experience. Now, in the experience section, include any work experience you have, paid or unpaid, volunteering, placements, part-time jobs, or projects where you developed relevant skills. For example, retail assistant, part-time, supermarket between September 2025 to present, delivered excellent customer service, handled cash transactions, and supported daily store operations in a fast-paced environment. Or volunteer, local community charity from May 2025 to August 2025, assisted with planning and running fundraising events, coordinated logistics, and communicated professionally with attendees and team members. So there's several examples of what you might include in the experience section. Again, we are starting to build a powerful and impactful internship CV or resume. And if you have any questions about how to create your own CV, please put them in the comments section below the video and I will be glad to help you. Now, in section 4, you will include details of your education. Now, in the education section, include your most recent or most relevant qualifications, the school, college, or university name, dates attended or expected graduation date, and also any relevant modules, coursework, projects, or achievements that match the internship role. For example, BSc Business Management, expected July 2027. University of Manchester, United Kingdom, relevant modules, data analysis, marketing strategy, financial accounting. Key achievement, awarded first-year merit scholarship for academic performance. So you will include your education details at the top of page 2 of your internship CV or resume. In section 5, you will include specific details of projects. I recommend you include 1 to 3 academic or personal projects that prove you have the skills needed for the internship. Examples: website redesign project, HTML, CSS, Canva, artificial intelligence, designed and built a personal modern 3-page website from idea through to inception. Or university coursework market research project, university module, September 2025. Surveyed 80 plus students to identify customer preferences and trends, presented findings using PowerPoint, including 3 recommendations to increase sales. So you would include details of personal or professional projects you have completed in section 5 of your internship CV or resume. In section 6, this is very important, achievements. This tells the company or organization you have a track record of success. The achievement section adds proof of performance. For example, awards, top grades, team competition wins. So for example, Employee of the Month, part-time role, awarded Employee of the Month for reliability, fast learning, and consistently positive customer feedback. Academic personal achievement, achieved top grades in, insert the subject, and maintained excellent attendance, demonstrating strong discipline and commitment. And finally, team sports achievement, captained my team to first place in the insert the sport tournament, demonstrating teamwork, leadership, and performing under pressure. So that is now section 6 of our internship CV or resume completed. Section 7, activities and interests. In this section, include a brief outline of your interests and activities, but only include this section if they add real value to the CV. Here's what to avoid. Do not include any of these things in section 7. Solo or isolating hobbies or interests. For example, gaming alone for long hours or binge watching television. Anything political, religious, or controversial, and interests that suggest unreliability or fatigue, partying, nightlife, or clubbing. Do not include any of those things. Here are some good examples of what to include. Playing team sports, because that demonstrates collaboration capabilities. Volunteering, because this suggests that you are selfless. Reading, because this demonstrates a desire for self-improvement, or learning a new language, which tells the company or organization you enjoy learning new skills. So that is section 7 now complete. We can now move on to section 8 of our internship CV or resume. Once we have completed section 8, I will then reveal those 12 words you must use on your CV or resume, but more importantly, at your internship interview. Section 8 is references. This is details of several people who are willing to comment on your suitability for the internship. You have two options. Option 1, simply write available upon request. Or better still, option 2 is to actually include 2 references who can comment on your character, attitude, and reliability. For example, you might include a teacher, tutor, or lecturer, a coach, for example, a sports team coach, or even a volunteer supervisor or a part-time job manager. This is important. Before you include the details of 2 references, make sure you tell them or ask them for permission to include them on the CV or resume. And you will include their name, their title, and their contact details. So that is now section 8 complete. Let's now move on to those 12 great words you should use on your internship CV or resume, and also at your internship interview. Please write these down. Word number 1 is responsive. This is a brilliant word. Being responsive means that you act quickly to complete your duties and responsibilities. Word number 2, coachable. This is a great one for an internship CV and also for during your internship interview. Coachable shows that you take feedback well and you improve fast. Number 3, you are a completer finisher. This indicates that you always get things done on time and to a high standard. Word number 4, reliable. This demonstrates punctuality, consistency, and trustworthiness. Word number 5, initiative taker. This shows you start tasks without being told and you also take action proactively. The next word, team-oriented. This demonstrates collaboration, cooperation, and support within diverse teams. Word number 7, dependable. If you are dependable, it demonstrates you can be trusted to deliver your work on time. Adaptable. This demonstrates the ability to adjust quickly to new tasks, people, and workplace environments. The next word, resourceful. This demonstrates that you can solve problems using limited time and resources. Word number 10, analytical. This shows that you think logically and use evidence to make decisions. Word number 11, meticulous. This shows that you pay attention to detail and always avoid careless mistakes. And word number 12, accountable. This shows that you take ownership of your work to achieve positive outcomes. So there's 12 brilliant words to consider using on your internship CV or resume, and more importantly, during your internship interview. Now, the next thing to do is to consider hiring me to write your internship CV for you. You can go through to my website, cvmadeeasy.co.uk, by checking out the link in the top comment below this video for further details. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It is always an honor and a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the very best for getting accepted onto your internship. Have a great day.